If HandBrake is giving you an update error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get HandBrake updated and running properly again. This issue usually happens because of missing system requirements, corrupted configuration files, or a conflict during the update process. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it without reinstalling your whole computer or losing your workflow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first and most common fix is to install the missing .NET runtimes. Modern versions of HandBrake often depend on specific Microsoft .NET Desktop runtimes to launch correctly, especially after an update. If you see an error message saying that you need to install missing frameworks, that is usually the clearest sign that this is the problem. To fix it, open your browser and go to the official Microsoft .NET download page. Make sure you download the desktop runtime version, not the regular console runtime, and not just the developer SDK. For most Windows users, that will usually be the x64 version, but always make sure it matches your system and the version HandBrake requires. If you are not sure which version to install, check the HandBrake release notes or official GitHub information for the exact .NET version needed for your update. That could be .NET 6, .NET 7, or .NET 8, depending on the build you are trying to run. Once the runtime is downloaded, open the installer and go through the setup process carefully. After the installation finishes, restart your computer. This step is important because Windows may not fully register the runtime until after a restart. A lot of users skip this part and then think the fix did not work, when in reality, the system just has not refreshed yet. After rebooting, open HandBrake again and check whether the update error is gone. If HandBrake still will not update properly, the next thing to try is a manual update. Sometimes the built-in check for updates tool fails, freezes, or just hangs without completing. In that case, the fastest solution is to install the latest version manually. Go to the official HandBrake downloads page and download the newest stable release. Always use the official download page so you know you are getting the latest safe version. When the installer downloads, open it and run the setup normally. In most cases, you do not need to uninstall the older version first. HandBrake's installer usually detects the existing installation and replaces the outdated files while keeping your presets and settings intact. That makes the manual update process much easier and much safer than removing everything and starting over. After the installation completes, launch HandBrake and confirm that the program opens correctly and that the update error is gone. Now, if you are still seeing problems after that, especially errors like user settings inaccessible or unexpected crashes after updating, then the issue may be corrupted configuration data. This can happen when HandBrake's save settings get damaged during an update or if the software closes unexpectedly while writing files. To fix that on Windows, you need to clear HandBrake's configuration folder. Before you do this, keep in mind that this will reset your preferences and any custom presets stored in the app's local settings, so if you have presets you want to keep, back them up first if possible. To clear the config data, open File Explorer and go to c:\users/admin/appdata/roaming/HandBrake. Inside that folder, delete the contents of the HandBrake directory. You can remove the files that are causing the corruption or clear the folder contents depending on how the issue is presenting itself. Once that is done, reopen HandBrake and let it rebuild a fresh configuration. This step often fixes update-related crashes, strange startup behavior, and settings errors that appear right after upgrading. If HandBrake opens normally after that, you know the problem was caused by broken config files rather than the update itself. So to quickly recap, if HandBrake update errors appear, first install the correct Microsoft .NET Desktop Runtime, then restart your computer. If that does not work, do a manual update from the official HandBrake download page. And if you are still getting crashes or settings errors, clear the corrupted configuration files from the app data folder. In most cases, one of these three fixes solves the issue completely. If this tutorial helped you fix your HandBrake update error, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.